serial renovation with the CEPA energy distribution system integrated into a facade module for energy revitalization. This innovative system combines insulation, heating, cooling and storage into a comprehensive solution. CEPA components are easily incorporated into prefabricated facade elements and are fully reusable in the post-use phase. Thanks to its advanced spring mechanism, the system adapts perfectly to existing wall structures. Modules can be customized to fit any size or shape and equipped individually with the CEPA system. Delivered by trained professionals, the modules are mounted using lifting tools for precision installation. The minimally invasive process attaches the modules externally on the existing wall, allowing residents to remain in their homes throughout. The rotational design of CEPA Energy Distributor ensures seamless adjustment to surface irregularities, optimizing energy transfer. Discover more on the CEPA technology page www.cepa-solutions.com.